Okay.
Wait till he says yes. Okay.
Watch out, Zane. Back up.
Watch out, Zane. He's on video.
Okay. So, ready?
All
right, we're gonna break down an AR.
Wait, she's got your head chopped off.
It's fine.
It's
fine.
I know how to record
No,
them.
you're not.
All right, so we're gonna break down the AR-15. So all you military folk that don't know how to break it down, know how to break it down. First thing you're gonna do, you have two pins, one right here, one right here. You're gonna take something, push the pins out. It's gonna cause the bottom half of this to come off. Okay. Next thing you're gonna do. Next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna pull the charging handle back. This is gonna release the bolt. Here's the bolt. Take the charging handle out. There you go. Okay.
I missed all the shit that he just
Hey,
said.
hold on. All right. So we've removed the bottom half from the top half. Okay. Now you've got your bolt taken out. Then all you're gonna do is you're gonna pull this little pin out. Something small.
No, I have smaller ones than this.
I just need something to pull this pin out because my fingers ain't small enough. Okay, so
Need
pull
a
this
little
little
plier?
pin. Yeah, that'll work. No, I was able to get it with a fingernail. You pull this pin out, okay? Then this becomes loose. You gotta turn it.
That's according to the Secretary of State. And as Peter was mentioning, right now the Sanders campaign is really trying to...
Pull the pin. There's the firing pin. Okay. Next thing you do, turn this. Pull this out. Should come out easier than that, but there you go. Now, there you go. Your bolt's fully disassembled. Now you clean all this, clean the inside of this.
What do you
Clean this.
What do you use to clean it with?
We used a rag or some type of.
I mean, I have brushes and stuff.
Yeah, you can use brushes. You can pretty much use anything you want to. Then to put it all back together, you'll first put this back in here.
No, but let's clean it.
I understand that. I'm just doing a video on how to put it back. Put this back in here. Turn it. Pull it back. You slide the pin back in here. Boom. Pin goes in. Put the cotter pin back in. Okay. Charging handle. This goes in here like this. This goes back in here like this.
Did you put this piece in here?
Well,
That takes the slack out of it. Where do you?
it was like right here.
Okay.
I don't know what the heck that. I didn't know what it was. It was
It takes the slack out of the recoil.
slack out of the recoil. Okay.
Because of them.
Put this back on here like this. I don't know if I can get that to stay on there.
Hold it upright.
Yeah. Okay. There we go. And then you just simply put this back on here like this. Put the pins back in. That one's in. Oh. That's blocking this from being able to go back on here. Let's try it that way.
Yeah. Okay.